for physical geography, G.C. Leong, for Indian Constitution inke, Laxmikant, for modern Indian history inke, Rajiv Ahir, for Tamil kamu, Taitam tong kamu, art and culture inke, Nitin Singhania, inay tongo, abo ba narong na soft copy do wano. Actually, art and culture means basically ancient medieval rock niti, you know. So, there is book on environment, science and technology. Science and technology mostly 9 minutes presently IT related questions rock no besir baksung jago. Tai oborok no some of the basic things of economy. Economy ni narok nai di nai ka budget. Narok bude buci budget. Je ror mani narok no WhatsApp group share kai ka. Economic survey by budget. This tomorrow is Sunday, na? So I will take a class on economy. I have shared you material also. Before that, I have shared you this some economic survey type that. So we will discuss all those in tomorrow's class. So oborok topics ro, if you are thorough with the topics no bar narok kaike narok ni confidence aladang nai. Practice kaike, practice means practice in solving. Number 1, completing the syllabus, preparing your own notes from standard books, from the notes which we have given and from the standard books, topic wise according to syllabus. Abo narok complete kaipai ke, narok simultaneously kaipai mani age simultaneously narok tam kainai, you will practice solving question papers. Abo ni bagay no, time to time I will give you more question papers narong nai. You practice them. Tai narong no abo sana ni muchungo. Oh, tamin mani. Topic wise narok abo prepare kai mani pore. Jung time to time we will call tini jaman no tuka. We will bring our IS officers also. They will give us some strategies also. But basic strategy ke abono. Narong no taising ani colleagues ani testa kaiga English. Many of you narok English no kiriman no English no abo. English, the best way to learn English is ang narok no age pasaka reading practice kaidi. Narok jeta kok sanai abo no suinai. Ani cerai basa tabuk nogo ani besla. Only 3 years. Boni by English talayo ke खूप काम English sao. Bahai kesa nogo kisa boni by English sao. Tai bo cartoon nayo. The best way to learn English is from kids. Jeng cerai rok by hotel tong nai rong ke cerai rok by English medium hotel tong nai rong ke automatic manai tamo. Abo ya tabuk narok ba joto hostel tang man glak hostel tong man glak tam kain nang nai narok o tamin mani so narok seller pro inke onek somoy Ramayana Mahabharata ba abhay kaham serial rock history related rock pan animation cartoon high animation English by borok je kok samani abo narok nai di inke automatic ako sa automatic pai nai Cikon abo ang nuk maning kau ani besla just 3 bosor se bo kaham ke asik confident English baik ke sai na yang wansuk maning ke boni baik kisah sao abo baik sedu ya bo cartoon na mobile lo cartoon nai na ye ingke jeng English sama ni hai se sao itaka abo hai no response lo so basic English ingke narok cartoon animation rok which will narong ne pora related ba kabang matongo Bible stories rock narong nai mano English by kabang ma animation o cartoon na ba cikon but pok ya it will give you moral lessons it will give you English class also simultaneously so Bible stories rock narong nai mano for your English. Daily reading practice kaidi. Narok 5-10 minit hai kuchu buci apan English pore di bukuk boy nani bagai. Sadu bahasa cholti bahasa kerei English so. I think we will make through within next 6 months or 1 year ni bising. We will be prepared to face any competitive exams chini state ni ongtung, chini country ni ongtung. Any marks samya borok marks does not matter. Nung nini basic as per syllabus nini basic command of the subject jenang mani abot chung runai narok no tai je guidance nang mani abot narok. You can ask us directly during class also. Now also if you have any questions you can ask. So I hope you are all determined. Narok bahay ke kainay, bahay ke pore nay ang narok natabuk sa mani. You will first complete the syllabus of Tamtong. Different competitive exams, more or less it's the same. Banking wrong ni ke kisa alada. But banking wrong ni reasoning, mental ability, Hindi, aptitude wrong hindi. It is here also in any competitive exams or related. So, ang tamsan ni muchung maningke, first go through the syllabus, the basic things, make your own notes, basic jeng narong non class o saka, basic notes narong naraka, standard reference books jeng narong no soft copy provide kaina if you don't have, and next is you will solve questions, topic wise questions narok bar solve kaina. Then we will see Bo Coaching Institute ni narong no compete kaiman. I think we will not be second to anybody. We will be able to. I am confident. Narok je saksang nanuk mani tongke narok ni dream judi tongke. If you are ready to perform, we are here to help you. So narong ni kani basic book ang GK boy reference sa mani ke Lucent in mani narong ni kani tong na blena Lucent GK. How many of you have? Yeah, Lucent GK boy abono basic boy narok na di karon ni ka aro je sui mani kup poreto. Lucent sarap o arihan ni different publishers tong those are also good. Of course wrong ni kaham. But Lucent no inke more or less all the relevant details brok abo mani. Lucent boy ang protom say maya tini IS officer masa bono ang singpro bosaka. Actually is very free and frank. Onek IS officer tongu reserve abo share kaya brok tam aboka. Jung je tu different IS officers rok probation period brok IS mane paike kam sering nani ke different department of baike samung tang aborok borok training period yang ke sini anda rono samung tangon ke jengbu sujuk na sar narok ni IS preparation pro tam abokatam maporeka baike maporeka ini onek semua jeng borok no bersungon ke IS mas ano je samani Lucent GK. Actually Lucent GK inke it should be like your parent narong ni basic boy zaman jeng Christian strong ni sini Bible reference anything. Ani jibon tiktak betong ang baike reference check kaina ani Bible tamsa bonik samonde. So basic reference, basic book should be for job aspirants narong no Lucent GK abo.